Hey, hello, welcome. In this video, we are going to learn how we can export any integration and same we can import the integration to any other instance. This activity will help you to migrate the integration. So where we can use this activity, so suppose you have created any integration on test instance, you have done with all the testing, SIT testing, UAT testing, and now it's time to move the same integration to prod instance. So what we will do? We are not going to create the same integration to the prod instance. What we will do? We will export the integration from the test instance and we will import the integration to prod instance easily in a one go. So how we can export the integration? So once you will export the integration, your integration will be downloaded in your local system, and you have to open your prod instance, and now you have to import the same integration whatever you have downloaded or exported. So for export any integration, you have to click on this 4 line icon, and here you can get one option to export. So once you will click on this export, the same integration will be downloaded in your local system. So I have clicked on that export, so you can see that it's taking time. It will download the integration in my local system. So here you can see the notification downloading integration xx integration 01. This is my integration name. This integration is downloaded here in my local system, you can see now. So suppose we have downloaded the integration, and now it's time to import this integration to any test instance. For example, this is my instance, so let me delete this integration from here, right? So here, for deleting any instance, any integration, you have to deactivate that integration first. So right now this integration is activated, so it's we are not able to delete this integration, right? So first let me deactivate this integration. Yeah, so this integration is deactivated successfully. Now it's in configure status. So let me delete this integration so that we can export the integration here. So now you can see my integration is deleted. Right now I don't have any integration with this xx name. So here let me show you this downloaded file. So I have downloaded the integration. That integration is downloaded here, xx integration underscore 01, and this is the version. So here you can say this is the IAR file. So this is the exported file of your integration. Now you have to import this integration to any other instance. So suppose this is your prod instance, and here you have to import that integration. So for import any integration, you have to click on that import icon. So now we are not going to create integration, right? We are going to import the integration. So just click on this import button. Once you will click on that import button, they will ask you to upload the IAR file, that is the integration archival file. So just click on this choose file, and you have to select your downloaded file. You select your exported integration file. So now I have selected and just click on OK. And now here we have two options. We can directly import the integration, and we can import the integration with the configuration. What configuration means? That suppose in your integration you have used 3 or 4 connections. So in configure, once you will click on import and configure, it will ask you to replace your connection, configure your connection, and do all these things. So let me just import the integration. So once you will click on this import integration, your integration will be imported in your instance. So here you can see that earlier we don't have integration, but now we have integration xx01. So once you configure any integration here, imported any integration, you have to first configure, and you have to check all these connections, whatever connection we have used. So right now in this integration, I have not used any connections. I will create separate video where I will show you how we can configure the connections while importing the integration. So now here for activating the integration, just click on this activate button. That integration will be activated. So let me show you the another option. So let me delete first. Okay, so I have deleted the integration. Right now I don't have any integration yet with the name of xx, right? So let me same import the integration again. I will choose the file whatever I use for export, and yeah, click on import and export. So once you will click that import and export option, you can get the integration here only. So here you can see that integration is reflecting here. So right now you can see that our integration is opened in the configure status. So here you can see that in our integration we didn't use any connections. That's why it's not showing anywhere. any connections here. You can see the connection 0, certificates 0, lookups 0, and libraries. So in configure, what you can do is that suppose in your integration there are different lookups you have used, libraries or connections. So one by one you can replace the connection, you can change the connection, you can configure the connection and all. So I will create separate videos where I will show you all these things. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much for watching this video.